One night, around 8 p.m., en route to the Bahamas from Key West, there was a huge commotion, so everyone ran to see what was going on. There was a boat floating out in the water with people paddling. As it turned out, the boat had originated in Cuba and was fleeing to the United States to make a better life, risking their lives to do so. Many have perished at night while trying to make the same trek, and it's not uncommon either, as the crew informed my daughter that they had found another boat just the week before doing the same thing. The boat was not seaworthy. They attached extra items to make it buoyant, and they were also bailing water their entire journey. I slowed it down here to show you better. As a tourist destination, Cuba is a beautiful place, so people ask, why do people risk their lives to do this? We actually have family from Cuba who still have family in Cuba and speak to them regularly. So here's some things we know from a first-hand perspective. The infrastructure hasn't been repaired in 63 years. The electricity, major cities only get 6 to 8 hours a day. Locals who are fortunate enough to have family that sends them dollars have the luxury of receiving a card to purchase whatever they'd like with it. However, the rest of Cuba have ration cards. People line up for food and water each morning and sometimes leave empty-handed. The ration cards do afford a few eggs and possibly a chicken a month. Cubans are only allowed to buy milk if they have someone in the house who's 7 years old or younger, and it's powdered milk that they're able to buy. There is no fresh milk.
Don't sink, you're so close. No. They threw the paddle in the water. Well, they threw the paddle in the water because it's there. 7? Yeah. Okay, let's see. It's very smart, right? Very creative. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do they do with the ship?
Buddy?
What do they do with the boat? They leave it in the ocean?
They're gonna leave it.
Yeah. That's a very small boat. 7 of them.
Yeah, that's a very small. 7 of them.
They had the motor on the boat though, I think. I heard the noise from the motor.
Oh.
Yeah, they have like a tiny motor, a very small one.
Now, they're gonna be happy.
What do they do with them? They bring them to the Miami? I mean, no, they bring them to Bahimi? They come to Bahamas with us. Or maybe the Coast Guard come and meet them here.
Exactly, the Coast Guard are gonna go.
They will come meet us.
And meet them, yeah, and they're gonna give them to the Coast Guard.
Oh, okay.
Please like and subscribe.